Hello guys, and welcome to our video about sterile processing technician profession. What is sterile processing technician? Sterile processing technician prepares, sterilizes, installs, or cleans laboratory or healthcare equipment. Also, they may perform routine laboratory tasks, operate or inspect equipment. Sterile processing technician job is for people who are hands-on, detail-oriented, and analytical. Sterile processing technician can be also called Central Processing Technician or CRT, Central Sterile Supply Technician or CSST, Sterile Processing and Distribution Technician or SPD Technician. Also, sterile processing tech can be called Medical Supply Technician. Sterile processing technician duties are to organize and assemble routine and specialty surgical instrument trays and other sterilized supplies, filling special requests as needed. Also, to clean instruments and other medical devices to prepare them for sterilization. Sterile processing technician operates and maintains steam, ETO, low-temperature gas plasma, ozone and dry heat sterilizers, keeping records of items and loads, and maintenance procedures performed. Sterile processing tech records sterilizer test results, disinfects patient care equipment such as infusion machines, DVT machines, suction pumps, etc., examines equipment to detect leaks, worn or loose parts, or other indications of disrepair. Sterile processing technician reports detective equipment to appropriate supervisors or staff. So, sterile processing technician maintains records of inventory and equipment usage. If you're considering to become a sterile processing technician, you need to know that sterile processing technician usually works in physicians' offices, clinics, surgical centers, hospitals, and medical centers. Training programs require a criminal background check, drug screen, and TB test. Sterile processing tech's job also requires that they wear protective clothing and equipment. Also, it requires stamina to stand and walk for extended periods of time and strength to frequently move 20 pounds and more of equipment. Some employers hire new graduates, but others prefer or require that job applicants have a few months to 1 year of work experience in a healthcare setting. Many employers also prefer or require certification from CBSPD or ISHM or another nationally recognized organization. To get more information about sterile processing technician profession, visit us at www.sterilejob.com.